Batman decided to take a rare night off and watch a new superhero movie at the theater. But the moment he sat down, a group of kids whispered, "Is that really Batman?"
To create this kind of fun illustrated story video, I used RadKids AI, an all-in-one storytelling tool powered by AI. While most people know ReadKidz as a children's book creator, it's actually perfect for making animated comic videos too. Let's walk through the full process step by step. First, go to the ReadKidz website, link in the description, and click Try for free. Create your account. It's super quick. Once logged in, you'll see this sleek dashboard. From here, you can explore image generation, voice dubbing, book creation, and more. To start, we'll create our characters. Head to the AI image tool. You can choose between custom drawing and AI filter. In custom drawing, you can create consistent character images in any style using only text prompts. After naming a project, set a drawing style and then enter the text prompts here in this box, like a puppy. In the end, set the aspect ratio of the image and hit the generate button. Boom, you get 4 image options like this. They are just amazing. Set one as your reference, and now you can generate consistent character images for your whole story. Okay, now imagine we want to create a story featuring Batman, and I have this image. Now, to create any video, we need a story. If you already have a story in your mind, then it will be great. However, get a story using ChatGPT. Can you create a funny short story featuring Batman for kids? Okay, here is the story. Now for the prompt, just type dash. I want to make a video on this story. Can you please break the story scene by scene? Alright, the story and scene description are ready. Now let's start creating the images. First of all, we will use the AI filter option. I have an image in a realistic style and I want to generate the visual in a comic style so that kids love it. Click on the new button from here. A pop-up will appear. First of all, we have to upload the reference image. I am uploading the image of Batman. After uploading the image, select the subject from here. Currently, it's set as human. Set as per need between human, pet, scene, or object. Okay, now we have to set the filter. From here, you will find a bunch of options. Just select which one you want to use. I will select the blue chubby style. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. It will take some time to analyze and restyle the image. And here it is. The image is ready. It's a perfect clone of our image in blue chubby style. You will get 4 different variants here. Just select which one you prefer. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find 2 more options. The first one is clone another. With this tool, you can change the style of the image using another filter. Just select the subject type and then set the preferred style, like pencil sketch, and then hit the generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this perfect pencil sketch version. You'll get 4 styles to pick from, so you can clone it in different styles. Now let's generate our story scenes. Use the scene image tool. I am entering the very first prompt. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio from here. You will find a bunch of options. I am selecting 16:9. After pasting in your scene prompt, ReadKidz even enhances your prompt into a detailed, AI-optimized version. Set the aspect ratio and click Create. And here's the magic, it generates 4 beautiful variants. Choose your favorite and rename it. Okay, our first image is ready. Now I will create the second image. So I am selecting the Generate Scene Image tool. After that, I will add the second scene description and repeat for all story scenes. Once your images are ready, it's time to turn them into video clips. Just click Generate Video under each image. After a few seconds, you'll get a smooth animated video, like this one. Download and organize your clips scene by scene. Now we need a voiceover. Use any AI voice tool or record your own narration. Here I have used 11 Labs. Then, use a video editor to sync the visuals with the audio and export your final video. Here I have used Filmora. You can use different kinds of sound effects to make the video more interesting. Here's our full story ready in video form.
Batman decided to take a rare night off and watch a new superhero movie at the theater. But the moment he sat down, a group of kids whispered, "Is that really Batman?" Before he could say no, The kids swarmed him, eager for selfies. One little kid handed him a giant popcorn bucket and said, "Here, Batman, you need snacks for your missions." Batman's mask fogged up from the popcorn butter. He tried to wipe it and accidentally knocked popcorn all over himself. Everyone burst out laughing, even Batman. By the end of the movie, Batman was less the dark knight and more the friendly knight, smiling and waving to all the kids. And when the credits rolled, Batman thought, maybe taking a night off isn't so bad after all.
Now let's explore ReadKidz' powerful image-to-video conversion feature. With just one click, you can upload your photos and instantly turn them into dynamic animated videos. Okay, here I am giving an image where a baby girl is playing with her mom. Even better, it generates up to 4 versions at once. So you can pick the one that tells your story best. And guess what? You can now extend video duration up to 20 seconds, giving your creations more time to shine. And it looks so good. Alright, here's something extra. Want to turn your video into a book? Next episode. Learn how to automatically generate children's picture books with AI. Click to follow and unlock more features. So whether you're creating videos or storybooks, ReadKidz is your ultimate AI-powered assistant. It's fast, fun, and full of creative tools. Try it out. Link is in the description. And let me know in the comments what kind of stories you want to create next. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more AI content ideas. See you in the next one.